Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Equation.
What does the dictionary say?
An expression or a proposition, often algebraic, asserting the equality of two quantities.
Math rap.
Just as my name in English is Stephen, an equation means those on the two sides are even. What is left is equal to what is on the right to bring the this equals that to full light.
Math rap.
Explain equations in your own words. My appetite is on one side of the equation. 3 burgers are on the other. Those 3 burgers equal my appetite. I can eat them all. Give more examples. Can you make up and solve 3 of your own equations? Make 5 equations where the things going on the left side equals 16 on the right side. Do you use your calculator to solve equations? Why? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!